one of these days, I could have been a contender. These pretzels are making me thirsty, You gotta take acting lessons anywhere. You know what? Speaking of acting, there's a new Pepsi Zero. It seems like that's the theme, how Pepsi Zero wants to do it.
Totally.
Now, I'm a Pepsi drinker. I love Pepsi.
Of course, it's the best.
Pepsi is my absolute favorite soda. I like Diet Pepsi, too. I like Pepsi Cherry. But you know what? Pepsi Zero has always been lesser. It's a lesser Pepsi. You put out cans, Pepsi, Diet Pepsi, Pepsi Zero. I'm not touching Pepsi Zero. But now they say that they have a new, improved taste. And we don't know if Ben Stiller and Steve Martin are acting or not, but they say that it's better. Well, I'm here to give the try of the new and improved Pepsi Zero. Boom, 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 boom. I'm sorry, Hal. I can't do that. Yeah. I don't really notice that much of a difference. It's still got that little it doesn't taste like Pepsi. Diet Pepsi tastes like Pepsi. Pepsi tastes like Pepsi. This
artificial.
This tastes almost like RC.
So it belongs in the can, if you know what I mean.
So I don't know if they've improved taste. I'm sticking with Diet Pepsi. I'm sticking with regular Pepsi, which are both over 9 to me. This is a mere 8.2.
Still pretty good.
Still pretty good, but it doesn't measure up to what Pepsi actually is.
Fair enough. Well, people can come around for the next act.
Wow! Am I acting?